Hello everybody, this is Surendra Sharma. Today we are going to see something very interesting trick that how you can make read-only fields in the content for the content item. So this is the use case for those items, for example, a dictionary items where you want a dictionary key should only be modified, editable by the developers. It should not be available for the content authors, and content authors can only change its phrase, the value, but they cannot change the key here. So we have this kind of requirement in lots of project where they want certain field should be only the in the read only mode, where other fields should be in the editable mode. So how you can do that? So for this we can go to our content editor, and within the content editor right now I have lots of items here, for example these items. And when I go there within this items here, I can have this four field: article ID, title, text, and doc link. And this article ID, I don't want it should be in the edit mode. It should be in the read only mode. So how we can do that? So right now I logged in here as an administrator, but I also have another browser where I have opened the same website, the same Sitecore content tree into the editor mode. So you see here it's in editor one. I logged in there, and now if I can go there and if I select any item here, so these items are allowed me to edit anything here. For example, I go there and I can change anything here. So I don't want this article ID should be editable. So how we can do that? So let's go to in the same browser where we logged in there as an administrator. So inside this one, what we can do, we can if we go to this item, these items are created from the sample item template. So we can go there into the sample item template, and within this sample item template we have all these fields. So if we can select this sample item field, and now if you go to this security, go to the access viewer here, within this you see this, and our user is editor one. So editor one user is already have the read permission to all these items here. So right now I don't have any field related option here, but if you can go to this columns here, you will get this field right option as well. So you can select it, and when you select this one, so right now you see here field right option is available for all these fields, and it's already checked. So it means user can go there, he can modify anything here. But let's suppose on this article ID I don't want it, so you can go to this assign and you can say that, hey, I don't want this field to be writable. So you can go there and you see here right now it's not allowing this editor one user. So this write permission on this article ID is disabled here. So now we can go there onto the user where we logged in there as a editor one. You see here it is in editor one. So now if you can go there on any item where I already logged in here as editor one, and you see this article ID is in the read only mode, whereas the rest of the fields, yeah, I can go there and I can change anything here. So this is the trick which is useful for making your field as a read only. It gives the more granular access permissions to the individual users or the roles, that which field they can see it as a read only mode and which fields are editable for them. So this is a very useful trick, and I have used it in couple of projects. I thought let's share it with the community. So just add this column field right option here, and then you can just disable it for all those fields which you don't want for the content authors to be allowed there. So that's the trick. Thank you.